So this is a profound change which I have noticed in me, and I just hope that it continues, because this is the best feeling which you can ever get. Otherwise, we are usually doing something and our mind is always engaged in something else, either in past or in future, as I just told you. So we are never in the moment. So yeah, it has given me that kind of focus. Hi guys, this is Swati, welcome. So today I'm making this video in order to do the unboxing of the most awaited, I would say, gifts from Isha Yoga Center by Sadhguru. Those of you who already know, this is Rudraksh Diksha. This was declared by Sadhguru way before Mahashivratri, I think around 2 to 3 months before 11th of March. Sadhguru himself has consecrated these Rudraksh on the occasion of Mahashivratri. Okay, so the reason why I am making this video. To be honest, I have already received one Rudraksh Diksha packet earlier, but I ordered 3 for my family and friends. This is the second packet which I have received, and when I received the first one, I thought to myself that I really know how to wear it, but no, I was wrong. When I actually saw all the videos of Sadhguru stating how this should be weared and what is the real significance of it, then I actually understood that somewhere I was wrong in my mind. I did not know how to wear it. Maybe most of you do know, but being a very new person and wearing all these things, I did not know about it. So yeah, we'll be just unboxing it, and I would also be telling you the significance of Rudraksh Diksha, why it is worn, and the changes which it has made in myself. So without further ado, let's get started with unboxing of this packet.
So Rudraksh is basically the tears of Shiva. Rudra means Shiva and Aksha means tears. It is said that when Shiva sat in meditation for a very long period of time, there was no sign of him of being alive. The only sign he showed was these tears, which were coming out of the extreme bliss and ecstasy which he was feeling in his meditation. So they fell down and took the form of Rudraksh. So that is why the very vibrations of it is super powerful, and on top of it, since they have been consecrated by Sadhguru, I think it takes it to the next level altogether. It helps you cleansing your aura, protecting you from the negative energies and connecting you with the supreme power.
Okay, so this is a small note which I have received. It is in lots of languages, but English is there, Hindi is there, and I think 1 or 2 more languages are there. And this is a very beautiful picture of Adi Yogi. You can see this. Apart from this, we have received this Vibhuti from Isha Yoga Center. I would just in a while tell you the benefits of applying this Vibhuti. And here comes the Rudraksh. I had ordered 3, so here they are. I'm just showing you one quickly. I'm opening this. This has come in a black colored cloth. It's tied with a very thin thread, and yeah, here comes the Rudraksh. You could see this is the one, and we get 2 threads along with Rudraksh. Okay, these are the 2 threads. And here we have one is a smaller thread and one is a bigger thread. So this bigger thread actually is Abhay Sutra, which I'm already wearing in my left hand, if you could see. And the smaller thread, this is supposed to be worn in your neck, and you have to put it across this Rudraksh. There are 2 holes inside of it, and just like this you have to put it across and wear it. So before wearing it, what we have to do is something which is really important. Before wearing Rudraksh, you have to make sure that this is properly conditioned. The reason for it is because this tend to break. This is very brittle. it can break anytime. Like within after 6 months, it has strong chances to get broken because of our body temperature, because of the sweat which we get on day-to-day basis, and the kind of reactions it keeps on having with our body. So it's very important to condition it. And how you can condition it, I'll tell you. For the first 24 hours, you have to keep this Rudraksh in ghee. Okay, so for the very first 24 hours, you have to keep this in ghee, and once it is conditioned by ghee, then you have to keep this in milk, and that milk should be raw milk. Again, you have to keep it for 24 hours. So after a time of 48 hours, that is 24 hours of ghee conditioning, and after that 24 hours of milk conditioning, you can just take that out of milk. You can just wipe it. You can wipe it with this cloth. Okay, and then you can put across this thread, and you are good to go. Now I'll just tell you the benefits of wearing Rudraksh. So I'll just quickly read this, guys. Okay, so Rudraksh, it's written here, this consecrated bead is a powerful instrument to become accessible to the grace of Adi Yogi. You can string it with the provided thread and wear it around the neck. It will aid in physical as well as mental health, assist in meditation, cleanse the aura, and provide protection against negative energies. Sadhguru has offered a sadhana to accompany the Rudraksh Diksha, like what I mentioned. So I have mainly ordered this because I really wanted an assistance in my meditation, plus the kind of lots of thoughts which keeps on going inside of my mind. There are so many of them. And I think this is a problem with each one of us. We do tend to get lost in lots of our thoughts and just sometimes delay in doing what we really need to do. So I think it is very much beneficial in that. And yes, I am seeing the changes. I'll discuss about it later. Now let me talk about Abhay Sutra. Abhay Sutra, specially consecrated thread tied around one's wrist, left for women and right for men, to be worn for a minimum of 40 days. It supports one to overcome fears and fulfill ambitions. Disposed by untying, not cutting, and burying or burning. Okay. So this is basically the benefit of Abhay Sutra. Third is the Isha Vibhuti. Consecrated in Dhyana Linga, this sacred ash enhances one's spiritual receptivity when applied on the body. So I am using this daily. I am applying this daily on my forehead. And although it hasn't been a lot of time since I'm applying it, but yeah, I could definitely say that I am seeing changes in my thought process for sure. Okay, now let's come to the second part wherein I would be talking about the changes it has made in me. So to be honest, it hasn't been a long time since I'm wearing this Rudraksh and this Abhay Sutra in my hand. I think it's been 7 or 8 days, and from the third day I could say that yes, I have started noticing changes in terms of my thought process, and inside of my mind I could really feel that I have become grounded. I think I've become very much close to reality, if this is the right word, I don't know. But yeah, I have had many insights after wearing this. I've actually understood that whatever we are thinking in our minds, whatever is going on inside of our heads, it's purely our own creation. It's nothing to do with reality. Reality is something which is supposed to be seen as it is. So every time we are feeling those unnecessary emotions like anxiety or worriedness or stress or maybe tension of some or the other kind, it's very much important to go to the root, to the crux of it, and understand that who is that who's actually creating all these things unnecessarily. See, the moment we identify ourselves with all these negative emotions, we are no more living in present moment. We are either thinking about past or we are either worried about future, what is going to happen. We are never living in present, and 99% of the times it is all delusional. It's just the trick of the mind to keep us engaged, because our mind never wants us to stay in present. It never wants us to be present in this reality of our own. It would always want to keep you engaged either in your past or in your future. So this, if you just distance yourself from your mind a little bit, and that will come only when you are able to give that much amount of time towards introspecting what is actually going on inside of you. If you would just sit in a very quiet place and just introspect and just think calmly that what is it that I'm thinking, what if I'm having this negative emotion, what is the root cause of it, why has this gotten triggered inside of me, what was I thinking because of which it got triggered. Like this, if you keep on distancing yourself from the problem, what is going on in your head, you would come to know that you and your thoughts are completely different. It has nothing, your thoughts has nothing to do with you. You are not your thoughts. You are someone who is nothing but a pure positive energy. Now I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा अभी के लिए, so we'll just stop it here, and I'll just quickly tell you the changes which I went through. I really felt a sense of calmness in my mind because I'm a kind of person who always does meditation morning as well as evening for 15 to 20 minutes each time, and lately this something had happened because of which I was not able to concentrate in my meditation practices, and I really needed some external help, some support, so that I could again get back to my original way of meditating. And this is the best thing which I could ever come across, because yes, this has really helped me. And another thing which I noticed was a clarity inside of me. I've been able to see things much clearly, and because of which I think I am able to do everything very consciously. Like whenever I'm doing something, my entire attention is only on that thing. So this is a profound change which I have noticed in me, and I just hope that it continues, because this is the best feeling which you can ever get. Otherwise, we are usually doing something and our mind is always engaged in something else, either in past or in future, as I just told you. So we are never in the moment. So yeah, it has given me that kind of focus wherein I can feel that yes, when I'm making a dish for myself, I'm actually making a dish for myself and not thinking something else. If I'm making my bed, then I'm only making my bed. If I'm making my breakfast, then I'm only making my breakfast. If I'm cleaning the kitchen or doing the dishes, I'm only doing that. So yes, it has definitely helped me in making me much more conscious so that I can do my day-to-day activities. And yes, it has helped me developing a lot of patience also. And I really hope to see a lot of changes inside of me. And I think, guys, this is the best thing which one can do for himself. If you are able to create those changes inside of you, which helps you towards making you much more happier and peaceful from deep within, I think this is something which each one of us is striving for. So I think that is it for today's video. If you have any questions, you can definitely put that in comments and I would try to answer all the questions. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.